Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute low sew / no sew penguin. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is a 4mm crochet hook. For the yarn, I'm going to be using Chanel Home Slim, and this is by the brand Loops and Thread, and it is in the size Super Bulky number 6. The colors I'm going to be using today are cream, off-white, sage green, and a dark green. These are the main colors that I'm going to be using for the body. It doesn't really matter what colors you use, any color combination would look great. I'm also going to be using some bright yellow and light pink for the face details. Lastly, I'm going to be using some thin acrylic yarn for the magic ring. Some other supplies you'll need are stitch markers. I only use one for this pattern, but you can use as many as you'd like. You'll also need some safety eyes. I am using some green safety eyes in the size 12mm along with their backings. Some tapestry or darning needles, usually the thicker eyed ones will help with the thicker yarn. And lastly, some polyfill. I'm using an old pillow, but you can also use whatever you'd like. For the first round, we are going to be single crocheting 6 in a magic circle using our dark green color. As you can see here, I am using the acrylic yarn to assist with the magic circle. If you would like to see the hack on how I do this, you can find the video on my YouTube channel, and I'll also have it linked below. Now that we have our magic circle done, we will be increasing in each stitch, and to increase, that is just 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We should have 12 stitches by the end of this round. For round 3, we will be single crocheting 1 and then increase, and we will repeat this the whole way around. So single crochet 1, increase. The single crochet 1 at the start of the round is where the stitch marker is going to be placed. We should have 18 stitches by the end of this round. For round 4, we will be single crocheting 2 and then increasing. We'll do this the whole way around like the previous round, and we should have 24 stitches in total by the end of this round. For rounds 5 and 6, we will be single crocheting 1 in each stitch. So again, that's single crocheting 1 in each stitch for both rounds 5 and 6. We should have 24 stitches by the end of this round. For round 7, we will be single crocheting 2 with our dark green, changing our color to white and single crocheting 5, changing our color back to green and single crocheting 2, and changing our color back to white and single crocheting 5. Then we will change our color once more back to dark green and then single crochet 10 or until end of round. By the end of the round, we should have 24 stitches in total. This is the start of the penguin's face, the coloring on the penguin's face. Round 8 will just be a repeat of round 7 steps. We're going to single crochet 2 in our dark green, change our color back to white and single crochet 5, change color back to dark green and single crochet 2, change our color to white and single crochet 5, and then lastly, changing our color back to green, we will single crochet 10 or until end of round. There should be a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. For round 9, we are going to single crochet 1 for the stitch marker, and then we are going to crochet the wing. For the wing, we're going to slip stitch 1, half double crochet 1, double crochet 1, half double crochet 1, and slip stitch again, and this is all going to be in the same front loop. So again, we're going to slip stitch, then half double crochet, then double crochet, then half double crochet again, and then slip stitch one last time, all in the front loop. This is the first wing. Now we're going to change our color to white and single crochet 12 across the face, and then we're going to repeat the steps for the second wing, and then single crochet 9 or until the end of the round. This is round 9. We should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. Now you might have noticed that every time that I would change color, I wouldn't cut the yarn, and I like to do this just in case I make any mistakes and need to frog the project. I'm not wasting any yarn or having a bunch of little yarn balls. Now here, as you can see, I'm cutting them now that I am happy with how this project is going. I'm also going to be adding the safety eyes at this point. It should be right in the middle of the 5 stitches, and I will also be securing them with the backing. Also, if you want, you could sew the beak on at this point too, but I like to wait till the project is completely finished or almost completely finished. For rounds 11 through 13, we will be single crocheting 1 in each stitch. That also includes behind the wings where there is that back loop. The back loop is considered as 1 stitch. We should have 24 stitches by the end of all 3 rounds. Now at this point in the video, I accidentally lost the footage to round 14, but here are the instructions on the screen. So we're going to single crochet 2, then we're going to bobble stitch, then we're going to decrease after the bobble stitch, and then single crochet 2, then decrease again, and then bobble stitch again. After that last bobble stitch, we're going to single crochet 2 and then decrease, and we're going to repeat that until the end of the round. So that is single crochet 1, single crochet 1, and then decrease. By the end of this round, we should have 18 stitches in total. Now is the time to stuff the plushie as well. For round 15, we're going to single crochet 1 in one stitch and then decrease in the next stitch. We're going to repeat this all the way around. By the end of this round, we should have 12 stitches. Now for our final round 16, we're just going to decrease in each stitch. It's at this point where I usually take the stitch marker out because you don't really need it. We're going to decrease in each stitch, and by the end of this round we should have 6 stitches left. Now to close the hole, we're going to get our darning needle and we're going to thread the tail through the darning needle, and we're just going to pull through each front stitch, and then we're going to pull tight to close. After closing the hole, we're just going to hide the tail inside the body. Now it's time to add the details to the face. So I'm going to use yellow for the beak and light pink for the blush. I like to put the beak right in between the eyes where the dark green meets the cream. It's really nice to cover up the color changes, and I feel like it gives the penguin a really cute derpy look. Then lastly, I'm going to add the blush under the eyes and then hide the tails to that, and then we're all done. If you guys are interested in making a little farmer's hat and a little farmer's satchel, then you can head on over to my Pinterest where I have the free pattern linked. Also, if you guys would like to have a written version of this free video tutorial, I have that on my Pinterest as well. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. I hope you have a wonderful and amazing and blessed day. God bless. Bye.